I'm Fabrizio Barozzi. I'm one of the two partners of the Barozzi Veiga. We are an architectural office based in Barcelona. We start our career in 2004 and basically we work abroad in Europe. And what we try to do is basically intensify or discover the diversity and the uniqueness of each place where we work. We try to do something very specific for a place, very unique, that improve the character of each place, but also we try to discover how can we live in different places, in new places, and discover also how the future of the places where we live could be. And this is basically our philosophy. What we try to do is discover what is unique, what is identitary for one place, and work with this element. We try to reject this generic idea of architecture and finally discover the richness of each part of the country, of the world, of the earth. I am Italian, my partner is Spanish, and we feel, since we start, we feel Europe as our home, really. We are a quite young office, and I think that for my generation was important, has been important to feel Europe like your playground in a way. And I think that for my generation, this more common idea is quite important also for thinking on architecture. And for us, it's amazing to discover different sensibilities in each country where we work, and discover how can we interpret this different sensibility to create or to try to create new landscape or new unexpected landscape, no? Because for us, architecture is not only create a building, but is create a part of the city, a part where the people could live in the best way. I think one important thing for us is we take a lot of care of the materiality of the building, because it's a way to improve the perception of the building and establish an intimate link with the context. And it's to transmit a more sensorial idea about the architecture, and also work or transform the materiality of the building, could integrate in the thinking on architecture the idea of time, how the building can change during the years, during the time, how the building can transform its presence, or how the building could integrate it in a context. So, and for us, thinking on time in architecture is very, very important, because it's something apparently far away from the architectural thinking, but in a way, in this way, it became very close to the concept that have at the base of an idea of a project.